When it comes to kitchen renovation, cabinetry and new appliances usually take up most of the budget. However, smaller design choices, such as fixtures, can make a significant impact on the aesthetic of your cooking space. Kitchen faucets are one of the home's most used features and can serve as a vital piece of hardware for cooking, washing hands, and keeping the space clean. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best kitchen faucet you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Delta Touchless Kitchen Faucet. If you already have smart, voice control technology in your home, the Delta Trinsic will fit right in. Featuring Delta's proprietary innovation, the Trinsic uses Delta Voice IQ technology to sync up your faucet with existing devices like smartphones and smart speakers enabled by Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant. With a simple command, you can quickly turn the faucet on and off, warm water, and dispense 1 cup, 6 ounces, a gallon, or any other amount you could need. It operates with a simple touch anywhere on the spout or handle with your wrist or forearm. There's also a hand wash feature that provides the proper timing for lathering, scrubbing, and rinsing your hands. You can check the water temperature from across the room with the TempSense LED indicator light that changes color to reflect water temperature. Powered by 6 AA or 6C batteries and an AC wall adapter, it features a flow rate of 1.8 GPM. The premium features on this high-tech faucet come with a high price tag to match, but if you're set on smart kitchen technology, it's a worthy investment. Number 4. KOHLER Touchless Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. The simplest touchless faucet allows you to enjoy a cleaner, more hygienic kitchen environment. It features intuitive response technology that is in tune with your every move. With a simple wave of your hand or an object such as a pan, the smart faucet turns it on or off. Don't worry, not every movement will activate the water. The sensor is precision designed to prevent false activations. The stainless steel Simpless also has the bells and whistles of many high-end faucets like a gooseneck style, pull-down spout, magnetic docking system located within the spout, and optional power boost for cleaning and filling pots. Naturally, touchless technology comes with a hefty price tag. However, if you are in the market for a solidly built touchless faucet, this model is well worth considering. Number 3. Moen 7594C Arbor 1-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Moen is known for designing beautiful products that last a lifetime. The feature that sets this Moen faucet apart is its Dura-Lock Quick Connect installation system, which makes this faucet easy to install. This Moen option also features a long hose, 68 inches long, and is built with reflex technology to flex, pivot, and stretch in all directions without getting tangled or damaged. The steel faucet controls the flow of water with its boost steam function that offers a faster clean and faster fill with the push of a button. Number 2. Delta Kitchen Faucets. Delta Faucet is one of the world's leading manufacturers of home improvement and building products and one of the first to revolutionize faucet manufacturing. This runner-up pick is an excellent combination of traditional style and modern features. This brass faucet has more than just looks. It combines numerous elements of a modern kitchen faucet: a pull-down spout, gooseneck style, single handle function for water control, and touchless activation for hands-free operation. The faucet features Touch 2.0 technology for turning the water on and off and utilizes magnets for proper docking of the spray head. There's an LED light that signals water temperature in 3 different spray modes. Number 1. WEWE Single Handle High Arc Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. WEWE specializes in various affordable kitchen and bathroom faucets, bath, and shower products. This single-handle high-arc faucet features a sleek tulip-like design that will easily match most sinks. The metal faucet features a 3-way spray setting, stream for filling water, spray for rinsing, and pause to avoid splashing in multitasking mode. The pull-down hose and waterline hose come pre-installed in the kitchen faucet for easy installation. It features a corrosion and rust-resistant finish that hides smudges and prevents dirt from sticking to the surface. It's easy to clean, and it's affordable, too. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.